Welcome to the Great Water Filter video tutorial for replacing your elbow connector. Once you've opened up the filter head, remove the blue clip. Once removed, press down on the Collect button to release the water tube. Now that the water tube has been removed, you can now unscrew the elbow connector. With the faulty elbow connector removed, you can now add the replacement elbow connector. Make sure that it is a secure fit. Reattach the water tube by pushing it back into the elbow connector. Reinsert the blue chip. Congratulations, you've replaced the elbow connector.